How does Google Map knows there's traffic? It all starts with this, your phone. When you download the app, you agree to the terms and conditions, and one of those conditions is given your location for Google Maps. Now that Google knows where you are, all the location data is useful to gather and determine how you live your life. What makes Google Map work for traffic is when you enter your vehicle. Once Google sees the dot moving on the road and it's fast enough, it's not humanly possible, the work begins. It all starts with gathering data to create a bunch of information that mathematicians like to call a cluster. It all starts with gathering data. Data points from you, me, your neighbor, my neighbor, your colleague, and everyone else on the planet. Once they see all these information points, Google Map can determine where you are and when traffic will occur on the road. They know how many people on the road, and they can easily predict when traffic will happen using maths. Formulas like speed equal distance over time and the size of the road, it can know the traffic status. Nowadays, with all the talk about AI, Google can determine the likelihood of traffic happening anywhere. That's how Google Map knows that traffic is coming ahead. See you on the next question.